So the fan questions is first one obviously रणविजय है तो रोडीज जब रणविजय की बात आती है तो रोडीज को हम ज्यादा दूर तो रख ही नहीं सकते. So रणविजय is रोडीज is रणविजय. So first thing we want, there's a fan question that wants to know कि जब आप लोग की रोडीज में किसी कॉन्टेस्टेंट के साथ ज्यादा अग्रेशन हो जाता है कि हाथापाई हो जाती है, sometimes it has happened, has any contestant reacted back physically and you all had to cut that portion?
See, the thing is, it's violence is a strict no-no. Strict no-no in the auditions. There are very strict actions against violence in all our shows. जब aggression होता है ना, इसका reason होता है. Aggression, जब हम लोग ना 20 लोगों को एक जर्नी पे लेके जा रहे हैं, situations हमें पता है कि हम किसी को बोलेंगे कि पहाड़ से कूद जाओ, किसी को बोलेंगे तुम्हें आग लगी होगी, अब तुम आपस में किसी को निकाल दो, अब 2 लोगों को निकाल दो. ये situations is the job of the production and the creative team. लेकिन क्योंकि ये actors नहीं है, अगर हमने अलग-अलग personalities को नहीं चुना, अगर हमें ये नहीं पता कि ये इस situation में कैसे react करेगा या करेगी, तो वो सब ठुस हो सकता है, flop हो सकता है, right? तो जब हम actually लोगों को मिल रहे हैं, उनके इंटरव्यूज ले रहे हैं, उनके ऑडिशंस ले रहे हैं, we're actually not auditioning for a skill. कि आप अच्छे एक्टर हो, अच्छे डांसर हो, अच्छे फिटनेस फ्रीक हो, क्या ऐसा कुछ नहीं. We're just getting to know a person, and because we know what's going to happen later, saying that if we put this person in that situation, क्या ये interesting होंगे? अरे, we are taking those other 5 guys. With that 5 guys, this girl, oh, it could be very interesting. It's that, right? So in order to figure out कि आप कौन हो, आपको प्रेशर में डाला जाता है, क्योंकि आपको हम 40 दिन की जर्नी पे लेके जा रहे हैं और 40 मिनट में ये देखना है कि क्या आप फन लविंग हो, क्या आप झूठ बोल रहे हो, क्या आपका एटीट्यूड सही में ऐसा है कि नहीं है. So there are different pressure tactics that are put on you. Maybe you will feel that there are people are being aggressive, but it's only so that we can see what the reaction to that is. So everything that happens in that audition procedure is to see how a person reacts. If you're putting into pressure, if you're taking you to an uncomfortable place, how do you get out of it, or what happens? Do you go into your shell? Even going into your shell is interesting, because we know there is no right or wrong. So yes, the people, that the whole idea of this is how a person will react under pressure.
Okay, just one more. This is coming. You have a huge female fan following. I'm sure you're aware of this. Do you have a huge?
कभी ऐसा लगता है.
सही में. So there are many female fans that are angry कि जब लोग बोलते हैं कि रोडीज में कुछ चीजें स्क्रिप्टेड है या शायद ये रियल नहीं है, तो वो लोग आपसे सुनना चाहते हैं कि आप उनको क्या बोलेंगे जब लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि ये स्क्रिप्टेड है, ये रियल नहीं.
यार, अगर इतने अच्छे स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स होते हैं हमारे पास, तो हम लोग सबसे बड़ी फिल्में नहीं बना रहे होते इंडिया में. और अगर ये लोग इतने अच्छे एक्टर्स होते, तो क्या ये आके लाइन में खड़े होके ऑडिशंस देके अपनी इतनी बुरी हालत करके आते क्या in front of people who are not even the biggest producers of the country, right? So the whole idea is, Russell, कि जो ऑडिशन प्रोसीजर है हम लोग उसको इतना सीरियसली लेते हैं. हमें पता है कि हम किस किस्म के लोगों को सिलेक्ट करेंगे, किस किस्म का जर्नी है. वी नीड पीपल हु आर लाइक दिस, जिनकी आपस में बॉन्डिंग होगी नहीं होगी. A lot of, that's why there are 20 different characters. They're all, and because of that, when you make situation जहाँ पे you know that आप जैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे, मेरा रिएक्शन अलग होगा. आप बोलोगे ओ वाव पहाड़, मैं बोलूंगा ओ वाव पहाड़ के ऊपर आग. Whatever, it could be whatever. Yeah. So that is why there is no need to, we are not so equipped and skilled to write for 18 season different scripts.
I am sure.
And we can't give these people who are not even trained actors to say lines. It's not so. And many times many journalists have actually come and joined us on the journey and seen how it is. And but it's great that it's actually a compliment, because to make something,
it's a compliment. True.
It is. That means, because it's also the thing is, with success you got to question things. तू कैसे हो सकता है?
Yes.
ये दोनों कैसे दोस्त थे? इसने vote out कैसे कर दिया? Scripted होगा. So as soon as somebody says that, you're like, man, is this that good that people think that it wow. So, and because earlier when you were young, when I was younger, I started when I was 20. with the season 1. I was a contestant, but later on when I started hosting it, when people used to say scripted, I used to feel like, "Oh, kaise bol rahe ho?" And then I was like, now with age, you realize that it's great that you've made something as a reality show where you put people in situation and it looks like this couldn't happen. It's happening, and it's so weird. Yeah, man, it's difficult for people to really absorb, but that's why reality shows do so well. You know, be it Big Boss, Roadies, Splitsvilla,
Indian Idol,
all of this, and Sumer Singh is available on Root, so it's so easy to talk about it because there are times when you're promoting something and people talk about Roadies and Splitsvilla, and I'm like, I don't know if this producer of this platform would be like, okay, but thankfully with Woot, most of my stuff is here. Yes. It's like home for me. So it's great, man, that you know, human behavior is the most interesting thing. That's why people go and watch how this person would, because you start relating. अरे अगर मैं situation होता तो मैं तो नहीं करता ये और मैं यही करता. Very good. That's the thing.
अच्छा, मैं जानना, आई एम श्योर कि आपको जाना है रणविजय, तो सॉरी थोड़ी देर आपको मैं रुका के रहूंगा अगर आपका परमिशन है तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, रिसेंटली आपने आई थिंक केरला में शूटिंग की थी सनी लियोनी के साथ. आई थिंक दैट इज फॉर स्प्लिट्सविला इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. या तो क्या डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है उसमें एंड क्या नया हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं? सनी क्या नया लाने वाली है, आप क्या नया लाने वाले हैं उसमें? एनीथिंग डेवलपमेंट?
रसल, सबसे पहले मैं कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूंगा वायाकॉम को, वूट को, एमटीवी को और प्रोडक्शन हाउस को, बोथ सुमेर सिंह के लिए भी और स्प्लिट्सविला 13 के लिए भी. दोनों अभी वूट पे अवेलेबल है और दोनों ने ड्यूरिंग कोविड शूट किया. तो स्प्लिट्सविला में हम 10-11 दिन पहले पहुंच गए थे वहां पर. आफ्टर केरला जाने के लिए आपको टेस्ट करना पड़ता है. वहां पे रिजॉर्ट था एक आइलैंड पे, उस पे जाकर भी किसी से नहीं मिले हम 5 दिन. हमारे 2 टेस्ट हुए. जब वो नेगेटिव आए, देन वी कुड इंटरेक्ट विद आवर ओन क्रू. कोई बाहर से अंदर नहीं आया उस, बिकॉज देयर वाज द ओनली वे वाज बाय बोट, सो वी कुड कंट्रोल दैट. नोबडी केम इन, एवरीथिंग वाज गेटिंग सैनिटाइज्ड एवरी डे. 250 पीपल जो क्रू में थे नेगेटिव थे और शूट खत्म होने के बाद घर जाने तक भी नेगेटिव थे. So there are ways to do it, and we did it, and we were there for 40 days. And so that's why I really congratulate, and I'm really grateful, and I feel blessed कि हमारे इतना ख्याल से हमने काम किया. Other than that, yeah, Splitsvilla 13 में ना 2 अलग-अलग villas हैं for the first time. There's a gold villa and there's a silver villa. That's new. That's never happened before. Also, there is something called on Woot called Wild Villa, which Nikhil Chinappa is hosting. Now, that is a villa where if you get dumped or for people for wild card entries, पहले क्या था कि लोग आ जाते थे and people like, तुम तो wild card हो, हमने इतनी मेहनत की है, तुम suddenly आ गए. Now, even to come back to Splitsvilla or to go into Splitsvilla, you see their journey. That is something new that's never happened before. And apart from that,
Sunny,
the kind of
experience with shooting with Sunny.
What Sunny and I, for Sunny and I, first of all, we've been working for so long with each other. Our families are friends. We're family friends, and we really we get along. We get involved in these kids' journey in Splitsvilla. हमें पता, it's not like अरे lines बताना क्या है आज क्या. We already know that this guy and this girl, you know, the first day she liked him, he didn't, he liked the other girl. Then they did a challenge together. Oh, then they got close and now they're sitting together. Now they want to perform together. So when you are involved with people, it's easier to just go with the flow and say, okay, but that day you were doing this and all. And that's what I like about Sunny. Easygoing, very involved. And the best part about Sunny is that she was there with her kids, 3 kids.
Yeah.
हम लोग का 3-4 बजे पैकअप होता था. वो फिर भी 7 बजे उठकर अपने बच्चों के साथ she would do all the things that a mother does, feed them, put them, like school भी चल रहा था online, play with them, change them, and then she would shoot with us. So she was a superwoman, and that's what, you know, women do. Multitasking is something crazy that आप और मैं सोच सकते हैं, लेकिन जो जिस level पे women multitask is crazy. Yeah, and with Sunny also, I saw that, and it was amazing. And she works out. Yeah. So she eats her right, she shoots, she's taking care of her kids, and she works out. That's crazy. Yeah.
Thank you, Ranvijay. Sumer Singh is looking fantastic, and I'm going to be catching it. I've got a few days off, so I'm going to be catching it. And everybody,
let me know what you think.
Definitely.
Let us know what you think.
And everybody, our messages, please catch Sumir Singh on boot, because Ranvijay is doing what Ranvijay does best. And then along with that, I'm sure you all will catch Roadies and Splitsvilla. I don't need to tell them that also. Thank you so much, Ranvijay, and all the best, and stay safe, both you and your family.
Likewise. Best of luck, brother. Take care.